The Moon is believed to have formed about 4.5 billion years ago, likely as a result of a collision between the Earth and a Mars-sized body known as Theia. The Moon is about 1/4 the diameter of Earth and is roughly 238,855 miles, or 384,400 kilometers away from us. This distance varies slightly due to the Moon's elliptical orbit. The gravitational pull of the Moon causes tides on Earth. It influences the ocean's ebb and flow, playing a significant role in marine ecosystems. The Moon goes through 8 distinct phases over a 29.5-day lunar cycle, including the new moon, first quarter, full moon, and last quarter. The Moon's surface is marked by craters Maria, which are large, dark plains formed by ancient volcanic eruptions and highlands. The Maria cover about 16% of the Moon's surface and are less cratered than the highlands, indicating they are younger. The Moon has a very thin atmosphere, called an exosphere, which cannot support human life. It consists mainly of hydrogen, helium, neon, and trace amounts of other gases. Without a significant atmosphere, there's no weather on the Moon. Temperatures can swing from extremely hot, about 253 degrees Fahrenheit, or 123 degrees Celsius during the day, to extremely cold, minus 387 degrees Fahrenheit, or minus 233 degrees Celsius at night. The Moon's gravity is about 1/6 that of Earth, which is why astronauts appear to bounce when they walk on its surface. Moonquakes. The Moon experiences moonquakes, which can be caused by tidal forces from Earth, meteorite impacts, or thermal expansion of the lunar surface. Cultural impact. The Moon has been a source of inspiration in various cultures, symbolizing everything from romance to mystery. Its cycles have influenced calendars, myths, and art throughout history. Exploration. The first human-made object to reach the Moon was the Soviet spacecraft Luna 2 in 1959. The first humans to walk on the Moon were Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin during the Apollo 11 mission in 1969. Future missions. Various space agencies, including NASA and ESA, have plans for future lunar missions, aiming to establish sustainable habitats and explore resources like water ice. The Moon remains a fascinating object of study and exploration, holding many secrets about the history of our solar system.